Hello there, Taylor with the Armageddon Report. Could there be a tornado outbreak this weekend in the United States? Maybe. I don't know. We'll talk about that shortly, but first, the world of cyclones and stuff. So out here in the Northwest Pacific, we've got Prapiroon. Right, I still have yet to look up what language it actually is. However, this thing does appear to be curving away, so hopefully not a whole lot of land impacts. Here are the marine warnings, in effect, per the JMA as of right now. Gale warnings for these areas, and near gale for those areas. That's it for the Northwest Pacific. And the low potential area that was formerly there is now apparently gone. So nothing there. We're going the long way. The two potentials out in the Atlantic, we're up to a 20% with this one, and still a 10 on that one. However, potentially, the spaghetti models, however, if you do look at some of them, are going like it could go to Cuba. I don't know, it could just go completely in the opposite direction. That's sometimes that's what the spaghetti models are, that's what they do. Right. Here we have post-tropical cyclone Olivia, who has become a remnant low, so that's the last advisory on that. So, au revoir, is that the word? Au revoir to Olivia. Right. Today, stuff. No, today nothing. Right, nothing's going on today. That's apparently it. Tomorrow, maybe, for these small areas of Texas and New Mexico. And day 3, a larger area. But then on day 5, so day 4, at least nothing as of yet. But okay, so to give you some background, this is the day 4 through 8. This is the medium range that the Storm Prediction Center puts out. So there has to be a fairly certain, or at least as of that time, fairly certain probability of whatever the stuff is going to happen. And I say certain, in the scientific sense, which is it could, it's far enough out, it might not happen at all. But as of now, the data looks like stuff is going to happen. So maybe there's a day 4 threat as well. But day 5, that's Saturday. I can't get my words straight. That'd be October 13th, so Saturday. Iowa, almost the entirety of Iowa is in there right now. But they put the words tornado in that. So given the severe wind and tornado potential possible within a kinematic environment, I don't know what any of these words mean. Yeah, you can read that. So it says, as the potential event begins to come within a more predictable time frame. See, I always love to throw that word event. It's not just like a television show. It's a television event. Right, that's how you know stuff is like really serious manners when they start calling it an event. So this one is absolutely going to be something to pay attention to, and from having watched stuff like this far out enough in advance, basically you could say that this area is all under a threat because, as time moves, goes on, as time passes, as it does, right, things can become more certain and stuff, and the areas change. Like once upon a time, there was a probability area up there that ended up by the day of the event. It was like all of this, if I remember correctly. Right, so that's what's going on as of now. This is the day 5, so potential severe weather event this Saturday. So my advice, if you are in one of the affected areas, would probably be just start thinking ahead. What would you do if, start paying attention, obviously, but definitely Thursday and Friday, definitely pay attention. And start thinking about, okay, how might my weekend plans be affected? Where am I going to be? Am I going to be near shelter? Should I get a helmet? If there's going to be hail or something. But if it's going to be wind, I don't know. But yeah, that's it. So, Mother Nature here to spoil your weekend. That's what she does, right? She probably doesn't care at all what time it is. Anyway, so yes. I keep saying anyway, don't I? Anyway. Yes, Severe Weather TV, I forgot to click on that. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of the screencast. WikiWix is WICKEDWX.com. Let's go to something more interesting looking. There we go, let's go back to the Northwest Pacific. Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. Oh, by the way, Prapiroon is Nina, apparently, according to the Picasso. So, Prapiroon/Nina. Nina, way easier to pronounce. Thank you, Picasso. Anyway, so that's it for today. What is today? Enjoy your lovely Dienstag. Is that what today is? Yes, enjoy it and take care.